By this point, you're probably well aware of Bitcoin and its related activity known as mining, which uses a lot of computing power and electricity. You might even know that this is connected to something called proof of work, and it helps secure the network. However, you still might be wondering, why exactly does it have to use so much electricity? Is it really useful or necessary? Couldn't we replace it with something else? Hi, I'm Chris Kuiper, Director of Research at Fidelity Digital Assets, and I'm pleased to announce a brand new report titled Understanding Proof of Work. We wrote this paper because we think it's vitally important for investors to understand proof of work at a basic, non-technical jargon level of understanding, because that understanding then reveals some core properties about Bitcoin as an investment. Most notably, we argue that Bitcoin's requirement of electricity usage is actually one of its key features. It's something that connects this virtual item and anchors it into our physical world. It's not an unfortunate byproduct or externality. We also address a number of misconceptions about mining, and then we go on to compare it to Ethereum and proof of stake. So click on the link below to read the entire report for free, or scan the QR code with your mobile device. And for all of our research, go to fidelitydigitalassets.com/research.